Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're exploring one of the most advanced collaboration tools of 2025, the 55-inch SmartBoard 4K UHD Interactive Digital Whiteboard, a multi-platform, high-performance system designed for classrooms, offices, and creative workspaces. Whether you're a teacher, manager, or content creator, this board redefines how you brainstorm, teach, and present in real time. Let's start with its display. The SmartBoard features a 55-inch 4K UHD panel that delivers ultra-crisp visuals with vivid color accuracy and wide-angle visibility, ensuring every participant sees details clearly. It's Google EDLA Certified, which means it supports Google's enterprise-level ecosystem, including Drive, Meet, and Docs, making collaboration seamless and secure across Android and Chrome environments. Powered by Android 14 and Windows 10 Pro dual systems, it offers incredible flexibility for both education and business use. Switch instantly between OS modes for different apps or workflows. For instance, use Android for app-based teaching or Windows for complex presentations and file management. It's equipped with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage, giving you ample power and responsiveness to handle multimedia, documents, and interactive sessions smoothly. The 10-point capacitive touchscreen supports ultra-responsive multi-touch gestures: write, draw, annotate, and interact just like on a tablet. Teachers can collaborate with students directly on the screen, while business teams can use digital whiteboarding tools for brainstorming, project planning, and visual presentations. Connectivity is comprehensive, including HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support, making it easy to connect PCs, tablets, cameras, and conferencing systems. It's perfect for hybrid classrooms and remote meetings. Built-in 4K camera compatibility and stereo speakers enhance virtual communication, delivering clear visuals and sound during online sessions. Buy on Amazon today to revolutionize your workspace or classroom with this all-in-one digital collaboration hub. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more in-depth reviews of the most powerful tech shaping the future of learning and productivity.